Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm so happy to have you learning from home, and thank you for your feedback. And yesterday we learned about how to calculate the area and the perimeter of a rectangle. We saw that the perimeter of a rectangle is the distance around the rectangle, like the distance around my book. This book is a rectangle, and if I measure this distance, um, that distance, and this distance, I have my perimeter, and this red flat surface is the area of my book. So we learn how to calculate the area. So the area is the flat surface, and the perimeter is the distance around the rectangle. That's the perimeter. The distance around your house is the perimeter of your house. The distance around the table is the perimeter of the table. But the flat surface on your table is the area. Great. So today we're going to learn more about geometry. And what is geometry? Geometry is that part of math which studies lines, line segments. It studies points. It studies rays, and it also studies shapes, two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. It also involves measuring using your metric units like meters, centimeters, and decimeters, millimeters, and so on. And it also helps you connect with your real life situations where you have shapes, because we have shapes in life, and you need to understand those shapes, their property, so you can understand the world around you. It's important you learn about that. Today we're going to learn about more geometry, and we will discuss the concept of triangles and quadrilaterals. And I would like each and every one of you to repeat these two words: triangles and quadrilaterals. So, triangles and quadrilaterals. You already know what a triangle is. A triangle is a shape with three sides and three vertices and three angles. So, a shape like this one is a triangle. Why is it a triangle? It's because it has this side. A, B is the first side, B, C is the second side, and CA is the third side. There are three sides. And inside my triangle, there's this angle, the small angle A, the angle B, the angle C. See, I have put the arcs here to show angles. There's two red arcs, there are three red arcs here, and there's one red arc there, showing that this is an angle. Now, the point where two vertices, the point where two sides intersect or meet each other or cross each other or cut each other, that point is called a vertex. So you see, A is a vertex because the point A is where this side line segment intersects this other line segment. There's a point. This is a vertex. It's a point. A vertex is a point. So there's a first point, second point, 2 points. There are 2 points in a triangle, so there are three vertices. Three vertices in a triangle. Well, we're done with triangle. In the next video, we're going to discuss the different types of triangles. There are so many types of triangles that you need to learn. So I will discuss that in the next video. But now, let's move on to the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals are plane figures. They are plane figures. They are two-dimensional shapes, just like triangles are two-dimensional shapes that are on a flat surface. So now, quadrilaterals are two-dimensional shapes with four sides. They have four sides. The side A, D, D, C, C, B, B, A. These are the sides. So there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides. I have my sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We don't care about this line in the middle. It's inside the shape. It's not a side. It's called a diagonal because it goes from one point to another point of the shape. And that's why we call it a diagonal, because it crosses the shape, dividing the shape into two parts. You can have another diagonal right here. If I can have another diagonal connecting points D to point B. So this is another diagonal. Excuse me. I like to be as accurate as possible. Excuse me. My ruler moved a bit. So this is another diagonal. So in this quadrilateral, there are two diagonals. In all quadrilaterals, there are two diagonals. The diagonals are the lines which connect two points or two vertices in a quadrilateral or in any other shape, but in the quadrilateral here. Since we're discussing about quadrilaterals, it's about quadrilaterals. So a quadrilateral is a plane figure with four sides and four vertices. It looks like this. You already know already a bunch of quadrilaterals. You already know that the square is a quadrilateral. It has four sides. A rectangle is a quadrilateral. A rhombus is a quadrilateral. A trapezium is a quadrilateral. You already know about those shapes, so you already know about quadrilaterals. Thank you for watching. And I'm coming back with the second video on the types of triangles and quadrilaterals. Thanks for watching. Have fun learning from home. And I would like you to make a summary about this. I want you to describe a triangle and a quadrilateral in your own words in a small video. And then you will send the video to me so I can assess your understanding. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.